how to do static subtraction with the help of stamp game. These are stamps. These are units. These are tens. These are hundreds. And these are thousands. So the number is 4,500, 6 tens, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. 3 units. 6 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10. 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 4,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. The next number is 2,300, 2 tens, 1 unit. So I have the same number in a piece of paper. So now we will subtract this number from this number. 1, 1, 1. 1 unit. 2, 1, 2 tens. 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3 hundreds. 2 thousands. 1, 2 thousands. So this is the answer. Let's count and see the answer. 1, 2, 2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens. 1, 2, 2 hundreds. 1, 2, 2 thousands. So this is the answer. 2,200, 4 tens, 2 units.